Alright guys, so I'm about to put the tail tidy on this bike. I already did the rear passenger pegs. I'm not going to show the whole install. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a couple bolts. Now, I already tried to do this, and I messed up because I thought that this thing goes inside of here, and I'll show you in a minute. So I couldn't get it in there, and I thought they sent me one for a V4 because that's what it says on the box. But in fact, they're both the same. And then that, and then the pegs, the rear passenger pegs, you do need those spacers for the heat shield, so make sure you have those. So I'm going to take these bolts out here. This whole thing should just pop off, and then I'll plug the turn signals in, and we should be good to go, and it'll look nice and clean. But I'll show you what I mean, because I haven't seen anybody really talk about this clearly, you know. Nobody really mentions like, hey, don't try to stuff this up where the stock one goes, because it's not how it goes. So yeah, you're gonna have this piece in here, and you just kind of pull that straight down and then get your wires through there. But you would think, since that comes out of there like that, that's how it goes back in. But it doesn't. It goes on the outside and then just bolts here. And I have it set so the tail, the license plate will be tucked up under. I don't want it the standard. The standard, it would be straight. And you know, for legal reasons, you may want to do that. It's up to you. I'm not really giving a shit about that. So I want it to look good, you know, so there's that. And then obviously one thing you're going to want to do before you go any farther, check and make sure your license plate light works, which it in fact does, and check your turn signals. We got that one. And we got a left side. Up front. Good. Let's try the other one. Good to go. And actually, this makes no sense, but it fits in there so perfectly. Like, it's actually pretty nice. So that's what that's gonna look like, the license plate tucked in there. Oh my God, that looks so sick. So let's finish that up, and then I'll have to touch that up with some black, because I scratched it trying to get it in there because I didn't know. Didn't follow the directions. And yeah, almost done. Yeah, it looks awesome. So freaking clean. Oh my God, let's try it out, see how it looks. License plate will be lit up. Try a turn signal. Yeah, awesome. That looks so freaking good. Well, oh my God, it's sick. Awesome. So thank you for Manny. Thank you to Manny at motomillion for emailing me back and saying it's all the same one, and then it made me investigate a little more into it, where I found another video that explains that this piece goes on the outside, not the inside. So that makes sense. Looks awesome. I'm happy with it. And yeah, just wanted to share that. Now the bike looks a million times better. Oh my God, it just changes everything. Awesome. Also guys, don't forget to check out Raven Moto if you want some riding gear. Their riding pants are awesome. I have a new pair and their armor hoodie on the way. I can't wait to show you guys that. But their kit and gear is like really street level stuff, and it's dope. Like, their riding pants I wear pretty much every single day. I love their armor hoodie. I can't wait to wear it because it's really cold in the morning. And if I don't want to wear my leathers, which I don't even have yet, then I can rock the hoodie, and I'm really looking forward to that. So go check out Raven Moto. Use my discount code Hardcity, all capital letters. That'll get you 10% off. Tell them I sent you. They're good friends of mine, good friends of the channel. Awesome guys over there at Raven Moto. And yeah, this fucking bike, oh my God. Tighties on. This bike just looks so sick. In my opinion, this is the best looking motorcycle you can buy besides the V4. For the price, let's just say that. For the price of $21,000, you cannot get a better looking bike. The tail light looks sick now. I have my temp tag on there still. The turn signals, they look good. Nice and bright. They light up like that whole area, which is actually pretty nice. yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I like that. I like it. But man, this bike looks so good, guys. So thank you to Manny, Motomillion, and big shout out to Hey Dario. He messaged me instantly when I had trouble, but I really found it on another video. I forget where I found it, on a Ducati forums, but he was like, yeah, don't keep trying to stuff it in there, you'll never get it in. I'm like, god damn it, that's exactly what I was trying to do. But man, it looks so much better. My god, I love this bike so much, man. And so future upgrades, guys, we're gonna do a windscreen and the mirror block offs. They're gonna go next because I hate these mirrors and I want to put them on the bar ends. Any suggestions, guys, on bar ends or how you're supposed to do that? Because I gotta look into that. But if you guys know like what type of bar ends and mirrors you should put on this, please let me know. And hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I will see you in the next one. Peace.